Welcome to the line.
What's going on in here?
I'm just filing my taxes.
How?
For the TurboTax expert. Now filers can have their taxes prepared for them in as little as 2 hours.
Really?
Yeah, you'll get real-time updates from your tax expert as you go about your day. Yeah, you can even have the same expert file your taxes again year after year.
Wow, it sounds amazing. Ugh. I'll be needing this.
Want a grape?